Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Practicum of Operating System Fundamental 2020 with the title OS Introduction and Basic Command. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Wasis Wardana with assistant code WST. Okay, we're gonna go to theory explanation. Firstly, I'm gonna tell you about the mail server. Mail server is a server that allow user to sending an email to another user, and both of user can respond the email, so you can receive or send the email. After that, we're gonna talk about three main protocol of mail server. Firstly, post office protocol or POP3. POP3 is protocol of email and used for receive an email from local server to email client. Port for POP3 is 110 with secure port 995. And then after that, we talk about IMAP or Internet Message Access Protocol. IMAP is protocol of email and used for access email in web server from local client. Port for IMAP is 143 with the secure port 993. And then Simple Mail Transfer Protocol or SMTP. SMTP is protocol of email and used for accommodate and distribution email. Port for SMTP is 25 with secure port 465. And then component of mail server, they are mail user agent, mail submission agent, mail transfer agent, and then mail delivery agent. Firstly, about MUA or mail user agent. Mail user agent is a component for read, receive, and sending email. After that, we're gonna go MSA. I'm sorry. That's a mail submission agent. Is component of software for receive email from MUA and combined with MTA for sending email. And then mail transfer agent or MTA. MTA is a component of mail server for sending an email from mail server to receive server. And then MDA is a component from mail server as agent of sender and email to receiver. I'm gonna explain about the incoming mail or from the sender. Okay, firstly, from someone at somewhereelse.com send an email to others, and then it's called MUA. And then after that, the NS doing checking and send the email to receiver. Okay. On number 3, email enter the postfix. It's called MTA. At number 4, postfix will check the database for checking domain and decide for send an email or no. And then number 5, email verified can send by postfix. And then number 6, postfix continued email to devcode, and then it's called about MDA. At the last or number 7, devcode save and send email to mailbox. Okay, firewall. Firewall is software and hardware for monitoring packets that enter and exit in network. Firewall will analyze packet like source of packet, destination of packet, protocol of packet, and inside of packet. With firewall, we can block some address, refuse packet, and other. So in firewall is not just about the software, but firewall have a hardware. If you gonna check it, you can see about the hardware on the internet. So firewall have an icon about a wall and then the fire, but firewall not just about blocking. He can filter, and then we can check inside of packet with the firewall. And then firewall D. Firewall is software for managed firewall in operation system based Linux to be front end from IP tables, packet filtering, and available in Linux. Sorry, with X not K. The concept of firewall is use zones and surface and compare with IP tables used by chain and rule and control connection of network about band or permit packet. So firewall just based for Linux, not on Windows. Okay, and so you can use this firewall at your Windows because it just based on Linux, and this is just a software. And the software of the Linux we can get a free, and then if you know about the syntax. Okay. Okay, zone in firewall they are about drop, block, public, external, internal, DMZ, work, home, and trusted. This is the zones in firewall You can read it, you can understand in it because at the module you can read carefully and remind it. Okay. Thank you for your thanks about your attention. If you have any question about this practicum, you can contact at Sisjar Laboratory or use our line at ICU 0985D or Instagram at Sisjar Lab. Thank you for your attention, and then I'm sorry if I have a mistake, and then stay healthy, stay safe because the coronavirus outside. Don't go anywhere, just stay at home. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.